Welcome all. Today I'm not talking about any topic, but today is a good news of launching my fifth book by the name of The Jinns. Okay. Now this book was awaited for a long time, and so many of you had requested me to write a book on jinns. So that you can get accumulated information about this topic and clarify all your confusions that whatever you have regarding this topic, which is one of the most talked about topics on internet when it comes to supernatural and occult sciences. All right, so yes, the book is out. We are available on Apple Music. This is an audio book like before, and this is available on Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Spotify, Deezer's, so many outlets out there, Hangama, and I don't know, there's so many. I mean, you just need to type my name and the book name, The Jinn, and you will find out. And it's an audio book, okay? And you will find that, and even on YouTube you will find this book if you type this out, okay? So because I want this to be actually available to all this information. Now let me just brief you about how the book cover looks and everything that you can see on internet itself, and on this in this video also there's a cover page that I have shown, okay? Beyond this, that what the book will consist of, it will consist of all the details, the major details which are important for you to know as a layman as well, okay? But there's certain precautions also that I have said while reading this book, okay, in few of the chapters, in one of the chapters in fact, in which I have named different kinds of jinns, okay? And those jinns are these energies are very powerful energies, okay, in their own ways. So yes, you need to read the book. You need not read, listen to the book. In fact, it's an audio book. Listen to the book, and only then you will understand what I'm talking about. It's got symptoms of jinns, types of jinns, names of jinns, all right, and what happens, how you can protect yourself from jinns, what are the symptoms, what are the identifications of jinns, that how would you know whether you're actually under a jinn attack, all of that, okay? And then of course a personalized experience of jinn that I had before, okay, when I wrote my book also regarding this, which is a semi-autobiography by the name of Corporate Chick Turns into a Spiritual Healer. I've explained my personal experience also, and this here also I've explained in detail the experience that I had with the jinns before I came into this work of black magic and removals and the spiritual and sattvic tantra aspects. So that is something that I have mentioned in this book. So if people who are interested to see these books, this book, and listen to this book, they can actually go on Google or Apple Music or different kinds of outlets which are there, and you can find this book. But just remember, this is not an entertaining factor that I'm actually talking about. You need to be very serious if you really want to know about what jinns are. You need to be very serious about this. Do not make any fun, or do not make bets out of it, put bets out of it. Okay, let's see what Guru Didi has written in this book, whether it's true or not. No, you will fall into a problem, okay? I'm actually warning you people regarding this. Respect this. Do not play with these energies at all, okay? So that's about it. This was a brief about the book that I wanted to give to all of you. I hope you like this book, because it's written on by heart and narrated by heart as well, okay, by me. So that's about it. Happy listening, and I hope all of you love this book like all the other books that you loved, and you gain the important knowledge that I want and the awareness that I wanted to give regarding this, okay? So take care. God bless you. Jai Maa Kali.